G'day guys, I'm Jason, CEO of nexpaq.
I'm Don Loomis, the Vice President of the Microsecurity and Software Business Unit at Maxim Integrated.
And we just had an awesome hackathon event between Maxim and nexpaq. We saw some great projects such as the gesture control, color sensing, temperature and distance measurement.
It's a competitive bunch. It was Battle of the Nerds, and I think everybody wanted to make sure they had a real working demo, not just a PowerPoint deck.
The team came together today or this week to put together some modules for field sales and field applications. But we believe that there are other uses for it. For example, anyone that's a hobbyist or maybe even students could take the case with the different modules. The modules are oscilloscope, DMM, power supplies. Basically, we do digital logic analyzers. And so all of this equipment basically is portable and can be put in their pocket, carried with them wherever they go.
The nexpaq platform has been really fun to work with. It was very easy to get going, quickly get a prototype out there and get results.
So you don't have to know a whole lot about actual coding in C or HTML, anything like that. So it's really easy to pick up and get going.
So we're using the Max Q616. It's a blaster base to communicate with the television. Right now I'm just working on making this a little bit more user friendly, putting in triangles for the arrow keys if you want channel up or channel down.
So the sensor on the back of this is the green board right here, and we're using one of the nexpaq provided modules. It's an LED. That's our light source. Normally we'd have that light around the sensors with some shielding. All right, and you can see that it's actually showing the color values, and then it'll actually show a swatch of color. So that shows the actual color swatch right there.
So we are basically working on eye bottom based temperature sensor. This is the eye bottom. So in the demo in the afternoon, we're gonna show you exactly what we're doing.
Our idea for the device is to get the functionality of this laser gun, laser temperature sensing gun, along with a distance calculation, so we know how big the measurements are.
What do you need for measurement?
It will make our measurement much more accurate. So we would output a graph of data, send it to obviously some kind of application in the cloud where we can store it, and then we can later use that time-stamped temperature and distance data to go back and figure things out.
The idea is you find enough resolution to where you can do things like this. You can go up, down. You can obviously swipe left, right, side to side,
and it does different things.
And it can detect that, and it will just give you an answer. It'll just say this is the action that I decoded.
But ultimately, the one winner is Bitheads number 8. It was unanimous among all the judges. Congratulations. In the end, I think we had a great session. It was a pressure test for our new technology, and going forward we hope to do more and more events.
It was impressive how fast they could bring up the nexpaq platform and the Maxim platform on embed and bring everything together to make a prototype, but we learned some things that we can improve.
Our next event will be with Orange, Silicon Valley in San Francisco towards the start of November, and we've got one in December with Texas A&M.